We are pleased to welcome you on board to your TeSys Island video learning journey. This video is dedicated to the TeSys avatar concept. Here are the main learning sequences. Let's be reminded TeSys Island machine environment in the Industry 4.0 business world. With TeSys Island, we participate with you in the fourth industrial revolution, a world where machines of the future have more and more connected products. TeSys Island redefines machine load management. The machine manufacturers want to reduce their design time and cost, improve their machine efficiency, avoid machine stoppage, and monitor their energy consumption. In Industry 4.0, machines are cyber-physical systems. That means they are mechanisms controlled or monitored by computer-based algorithms tightly integrated with the Internet and its users. In cyber-physical systems, physical and software components are deeply intertwined and interacting with each other in a myriad of ways. Adding a digital layer on top of the physical object, TeSys Avatar acts as a digital twin with ready-to-use functions and predefined behavior to integrate easily applications, loads or devices in cyber-physical system. Now let's go deeper into the TeSys avatar concept. Let's focus on this machine or cyber-physical system. Running in bus coupler, TeSys avatars are digital representations of the physical function on the TeSys island. TeSys avatars decide the function, the hardware and the logic of this function in an object-oriented approach. This is a unique value proposition which simplifies design and build phases and provides accurate data during operation and maintenance. Thus, TeSys Island can be identified as a data provider. Now let's discover the TeSys avatar family. There are 4 types of avatars: the system avatar, device avatars, load avatars and application avatars. They help to select, design and commission without requiring high electromechanical skills. A device avatar represents one module, such as a starter, an analog or a digital I/O module. It allows to monitor and control at the device level. A load avatar represents a module's operation as it relates to a specific load. When load avatars are used, the island applies a number of appropriate modules along with operating characteristics to serve the load type. A load avatar manages directly control of the load connected to the island. An application avatar represents the application. When application avatars are used, the island applies a number of appropriate modules along with operating characteristics to serve the application type. The system avatar is used to integrate and manage the island. By default, it is delivered with TeSys Island Load Management Solution. Now let's focus on TeSys avatars and process control. Process variables and predictive alarms contribute to avoid machine outage. For example, here for the pump avatar, we define the analog value from a flow meter as a process variable input. Combined with 2 protection functions, we define 2 predictive alarms. Clogged inlet or closed valve in case of low flow and undercurrent, closed discharge valve or cavitation in case of low flow and overcurrent. These avatars also feature control mode selection in order to minimize downtime. Let's take again the example of pump avatar. In case of communication loss, the system transitions to degraded mode and the avatar to local control mode. Then, the avatar is managed depending on process variables and local inputs. If set so, the avatar can switch back to remote control mode automatically when degraded mode is ending. It is possible to switch the avatar from remote control to local control mode with the manual mode override command. And last, the pump avatar can also be configured in an autonomous control mode in order to operate independently from the PLC. Now let's review TeSys Avatar's value propositions for our customers. Let's take the example of this booster pumping machine and consider the different types of load or devices. The configurator tool is easy to use without high electromechanical skills. The bill of materials and the topology are obtained quickly by selection of the functions thanks to the ready-to-use library of TeSys avatars. The project configuration can be exported, then imported into the engineering tool. TeSys avatars help to save programming and commissioning time. To make the island operational, the engineering tool loads the configuration and settings to the bus coupler. TeSys avatars embed the logic of the functions without requiring any programming. Parameters are set accordingly to the represented application, load or device. TeSys avatars are managed by the bus coupler, which provides only one access point for the complete island. The automation engineer can focus on the management of the load or application thanks to the available function blocks. TeSys avatars collect accurate data related to the managed applications, loads or devices. The bus coupler provides the data to give the insights in order to improve efficiency and avoid machine stoppage through notifications or applications such as Operator and Maintenance Tool or EcoStructure Augmented Operator Advisor. This allows the customer to make decisions based on facts and data. Thank you for watching this video. Here are the key points to remember before moving on to another episode of this series of learning videos.